Welcome back to the channel. I got requests like I should make a voiceover for this lab, so here it is. If you have any lab for which I make a voiceover, please comment down below. I will do it for you guys. This lab is quite complicated and what we can say, if you not follow the exact same way, we will get unnecessary error. So first of all, just log in with your credentials and just wait for the establish a connection between them. And the this document will be present in the description box. I request you to please open this in normal window, not in incognito window. Okay. So first of all, just copy all this command. Okay, and run over here. Let me just increase the size. Okay, now it's better. Click on open editor. I will tell you in later where we need to pay attention while doing this lab. Okay, and my request you to once you're done with any task like task 2, task 3, task 4, please do not click on check my progress, because there are the some step which required we have to do first of all, and if you don't do that step, we will get the unnecessary error. And if you do, we will get the live will be more complicated. So my request to you to please do not click on check my progress for after completing each task. Okay, so just follow the way I'm doing the lab. Okay, so just copy this content from the lab instruction, sorry, from the doc, and paste in the variable.tf. And now scroll down a little bit in lab instruction page and change the zone and region. So first of all, change the region like this. Now change the zone. Okay, please be careful with this thing also. Okay, now change the project id, copy this project id and replace over here. Okay, and one more thing guys, once you make any changes in any file, please make sure that you click on save all. I know this already auto save, but just for the what we can say, double check, click on that save all button. Okay, now we have to add the content in main.tf. So just copy this content slowly and copy this and go to your main.tf and paste over here. Now here again we have to click on file and save all. Okay, so now we are done with this. Now just run Terraform init and run over here. Okay, meanwhile go to, now we are in doing the task 2. Okay, now just copy this content slowly and done. Go to your instance modules, then instance and instance.tf and paste the content over here. Now go to your variable.tf and from here copy this zone, go to your instance.tf and make the changes. Here we have to change and here we have to make these two changes, and again go to files and click on save all. So we have done with that. Now we have to open VM instance. Now just open this thing in new tab, open this second VM in new tab, and this one is also like this. So we need instance ID, so just copy this command from Terraform to 1 like this. Copy this, come over here and paste and give one extra space. Okay, now go to your instance 1, tf instance 1, copy this instance ID, go to again dashboard and run over here. Okay, click on authorize, done. Now again copy the command from Terraform to 2 like this, go to instance, give extra space over here, go here, and we are now in instance 2. Now copy this thing, come over here and click on hit enter, done. So we have done with that. Now just run Terraform plan and apply command. Simple. Now just wait, and it will ask for enter the value. Okay, just type yes, and now we are good to move, good to go. Now what we have to make changes in storage.tf file. Okay, so again please copy carefully like this, then go to your editor, storage, and storage.tf like this. You can close this tab. Okay, now please replace the bucket name. The bucket name will be present over here. Copy that and paste over here like this. And okay, I think I copy extra thing, so let me just clear this thing. And we have to add this thing in main.tf. Okay, like this. I think I copy, yeah. So please make sure that your storage.tf must be look like this, and main.tf must be look like this for now. Okay, now click on save files and click on save all. Okay, now we have done with this task. Now just run Terraform init and apply. Go to your dashboard, and again now just wait for it will ask for enter the value. Yes, now click on yes. Now we can move ahead. Now where we have to make the changes in main.tf. So just copy the content like this, go to your editor in main.tf from line number 1 to line number 8. Select this thing and paste the new thing we have copied. Now we have to replace the bucket name. So just go to your lab instruction page, copy this thing and replace over here. Done. Again go to files and click on save all. We are done with that. Now just type Terraform init, copy that, come over here and run this. Again type yes, and now we are good to move ahead. Now we have to add third instance over in the instance.tf file. So just copy this content carefully like this, go to your editor in instance.tf like this and make the changes. Now we have to replace the name. So just go to your lab instruction page, it will give the instance name, copy that and paste over here and here also. Okay, now change the zone will be here present, copy this and make the changes like this. So now again click on files, save all, go to where again copy this thing, come over here and hit run again. Again it will ask for the enter the value. Again we have to type yes. Okay, now we can move ahead. Now okay, we have to wait until this command to be completed, executed. So yes, meanwhile what we can do, go to our lab instruction page, copy the instance name, come over here and here you can see instance.dep. There is a one full stop, copy this thing, change that and replace the instance name from the lab instruction page. Meanwhile you can do that. So it's completed. Now just copy this command, paste over here, again copy this plan and apply command, paste over here. It will again ask for the enter the value, just type yes. And you can see I didn't check the I didn't click on check my progress till now. The score will update in background, so yeah, no worry about that. Now what we have to do, we have to remove that instance.tf third instance. So we have created this instance, I will delete that thing like this, done, and again Terraform apply. So just wait until this command get executed. Still destroying the third instance, so just wait for that. This time is taking so much time, I don't know why, but yes, it's taking so much time for now. So now it's done. Now copy the Terraform apply again and run over here. Meanwhile, what we can do, we can edit the main.tf file. So just copy this thing like this, go to main.tf and add it over here. So here we have to add project ID and VPC name, and again more thing we have to add. So first of all, copy the project ID, replace over here, then copy the VPC name and replace over here. Now here please pay attention, we have to change the region also. Okay, so just go to the task number 5, and in task number 6 we have to use this region. Copy this and make changes over here and do the same thing over here. Okay, again go to your files and click on save all. Again go to your document, copy this init and apply command and run over. Okay, it asks for the yes, just wait for that. I haven't still run this command, just copy this thing. So it's done now finally. Now copy this command and run over here and just wait until it asks for the enter the value again, otherwise we have to again wait for unnecessary time. Okay, now hit here yes, and now we can move ahead with the last second step. Okay, so just copy all this content from document page like this, go to your dash editor, go to instance.tf and make the changes over here. Okay, now here we have to make most of the changes. So first of all we will change the zone. So go to variable.tf, copy this zone, come over here, and one changes we have to make here, second one is here, and if you just scroll down, I guess we have to just yeah, 2 times we have to change the zone. Now we will change project ID and VPC name. So just copy the project ID and here we will make a change like this. Now we have to change VPC name, and VPC name we have to change for 3 times. Okay, so first of all here, if you just scroll up, here we have to make change, and if you just again scroll up, you can get change. Okay, so we have changed the VPC name also. Now the last thing we have to change is subnet region. So just again copy this US East 1 region, make sure you do not add any extra space, otherwise it will give unnecessary error. So just copy that, change over here and here also. Okay, like this. And please again check check that your file instance.tf file also look like the same as mine. Just check it once. Okay, once you're done with that, click on file, click on save all, and if you just go to dashboard, so our other task has already done. Now go to notepad, run these 2 commands and just wait for few seconds, it will ask enter the value. Yeah, like this. And one more thing guys, once you done run this command, we will face one error here. I will tell you why we will face that error. Okay, meanwhile it will execute in that step. Just copy the last content from the lab document page, copy that, come over here in the main.tf, edit that content like this. Now we have to add project ID and VPC name. So just go here, first of all copy this project ID, change over here like this, and VPC name, come over here and copy this thing like this. Okay, nothing we have to make changes, but please make sure that go to files and click on save all. Now if you just go to dashboard, now it's still modifying and executing that command, so just wait for that. Okay, so that is the error that I am talking about. Why we are facing that error is because we already create one what we can say subnet and VPC in this main.tf, and again we are creating some VPC in the instance.tf. That's why we are facing that error. Okay, so if you just face that error, it's already saying that tf.vpc is already exists. So if you you can ignore that error, no need to worry about that thing. Okay, again once you're done with that, again run the last command like this. Again it will ask for enter the value. type yes, and finally we have done. Again we will face that same error like already exists. You can totally ignore that error, and I try to do this lab very slowly so that you can understand each and every step and not face the issue while doing that lab. And when now just wait for, okay, so it's done now, and again saying tf dot the id is already exists, tf dot vpc and id that already exists, so you can totally ignore that error. So just come over here and click on check my progress for this task and this task. Okay, now come over here, let me just click on this task. For task number 7 I got a score, and for task number 6 I also got a score. Task number 5 I got a score. Task number 4 done. Task number 3 and task number 2. So we got a full score. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any doubt please let me know. Thanks for watching guys, have a good day.